All right, so this video is a little different because it's all on my iPhone. I'm going to show you how you can make a dancing Bitmoji using your iPhone, and you need a Bitmoji, you need Snapchat, and you're going to use this website called Unscreen. All right, let's get started. So first thing, I'm going to go to my Snapchat. So here's my Snapchat. You're going to click on this Explore button. Right next to Browse is Explore. And you're going to type in the search, you're going to type in Bitmoji. Now, the ones that we want that will make good Bitmoji, dancing Bitmoji GIFs are the ones like this dance machine, the Smurf dance. The way that you can tell those are good to go is because it's just a silhouette of the Bitmoji in a circle. All right, so we're going to pick two-step dance. That's a great one because you can get a 5-second clip and it's going to be a GIF, so it's just going to keep repeating over and over and over. So this is a perfect one because she just dances back and forth. So you'll see. So I'm going to click on it and then you'll see. Perfect. So if you notice, I have a really plain background, and that'll make it a lot easier when I go to remove the background using the program Unscreen. Now to record a 5-second clip of this, I just press and hold that middle button, the round one. If you just touch it, it will take a picture of your Bitmoji, which that's cute too. But for this, you want to take a video of it. So I'm going to press and hold, and I just need a 5-second clip. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here's the recording. It looks great. So now you're just going to click that down arrow button, and then it will be saved to your photos. So now I'm going to exit out of that, and I am going to go to my browser. So I use Chrome on my phone. So I'm going to go to my browser and I'm going to search. There we go. Just search Unscreen, or you can type in unscreen.com. And it's going to ask you, and this is all on our phone, it's going to ask you to upload a clip. So photo library. And here is my 7-second clip of my Bitmoji. I'm going to go choose. All right, so I just uploaded my Bitmoji. I didn't even edit it or anything. It looks really good. So now I want to download it, but see next to download, there's a little shark tooth. I'm going to download it as a GIF. So I'm going to choose that. So if I click that share button, I can also email it to myself at school. And then there's my little elf girl dancing. So it doesn't necessarily have to be a Bitmoji. So upload clip. So photo library. So I have a short clip of my friend's dog here, Roxy. And in this shot, Roxy is just jumping in a circle. It's really cute. So you can take a short clip of your dog, your cat. I would do Rufus, but Rufus just lays around. So this is a little bit more fun to watch a dog jump around back and forth. And I'm going to download it as a GIF. And I'm going to share it to myself again. So it's so cute. You can also change the background. So I could change the background here. And I could have Roxy jumping. That's kind of crazy, but it's fun. Okay, so here is my email where I sent myself my dancing Bitmoji and then Roxy. So once you get the email that you sent yourself, if you hover over the thumbnail, you see there's the Drive symbol, and you can just add this to your directly to your Google Drive. And then you always want to stay organized, and you want to click Organize and select a folder. So I have a whole folder of animated Bitmojis, so I'm going to move there. And I already did that to this one, but I do need to organize her and put her in my Drive. Bitmojis. There we go. Animated Bitmojis. Okay, so now I can go to the presentation where I want to add the dancing Bitmoji, and I just go Insert Image. I already have it in my Drive. And there we go. I can just drag it in there. So I hope that you enjoyed this, and it's a little GIF. Get it? Like gift, but it's a GIF. Okay, have a great day.